So today we're gonna solve trigonometric identities. One way to solve trigonometric identities is to expound them. So as you can see, we expounded the tan squared x, which is equivalent to sine squared x over cos squared x. So basic algebra will just gonna cancel it out, and we are left with sine squared x, and sine squared x is equal to 1 minus cos squared x. So 1 minus cos squared x is equivalent to 1 minus cos squared x. So that's it. Thank you.